How to fix Discord not opening. Hello guys, how it's going today? I'm gonna show you the correct way how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Where is settings? Yeah. And when it's opening, just go to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Discord. Wait. Yeah, and when you found it, just open it like this, then go to storage option, then go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget the last thing is going to Play Store and updating Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.